Splash, A Journey Through the Water Cycle by Miss Doyle. Hi, my name is Splash. I'm a raindrop and I live in Lake Michigan. I love watching fish swim and looking at all of Chicago's big buildings. One day the sun came out and I started to feel really weird. Then I started to get smaller and smaller until I was no longer a water droplet. I had changed into water vapor by evaporation. I went up, 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 high in the sky. Hey, it's starting to get a little cold up here. It became so cold that I changed back into a water droplet. I noticed a lot of other droplets had gone through condensation, so we decided to team up and form a cloud. Being in the cloud was lots of fun. The wind blew us everywhere. One day my cloud stopped over a little town called Geneva. My cloud sat over Geneva for a few days, but it started to get too crowded. Too many water droplets were joining. The cloud was too heavy. Oh no, I'm falling. Ah! I'm falling back to earth as rain. Plop, splash, I landed in the Fox River. I can't wait to see what adventures my next trip through the water cycle will bring.